Alright guys, quick disclaimer before we get into today's video. One thing, huge shout out to EHWraps, link in the description below, go check him out. Super good at wrapping. So he's located here in Bowling Green, Kentucky. His Instagram, again, in the link below. Second off, be patient with me. This video is a little bit all over the place, but we'll be back in sync after this video. But without further ado, let's jump into it. Let's roll. You guys cannot see the actual color yet, but you may or may not see it on Stradman's video first, because I think I might let him show it, but you won't actually see the full reveal. So just because there's a whole pattern going to be on it, and yeah, that's not on there yet. But long story short, the bumper is off, which, let's see, take you over here. Boom, there's the bumper off of the car. It's a little dirty. She's a little dirty. We're gonna clean her up though. It's gonna be really good. Come over here and you can see the bumper off. Boom. A few minutes. James, aka Stradman, should be here soon. Yeah, soon. I'm AJ, and today we're in for a special treat. We've got James, aka the Stradman, in the 2020 Supra, and then obviously the Kia Stinger.
100%, never doubt %.
That's right.
Yes.
So let's roll. Under 55, right?
That
right
actually was 55. It was 55. 100% 55.
Yep. See? There you go. Right under 55, as always. 2020 Supra, which is 304 of 1500. If you can see it, the lighting is awful right now. You're definitely gonna come over and you're gonna see the R8.
Oh yeah, yeah, absolutely.
In this video, we're gonna pick up, and for you guys, it's gonna seem like that, but actually it's gonna be overnight. So, that being said, dude, let's pick it up in the morning.
Sounds good. See you, dude.
So, yeah. I feel like I might know you from somewhere.
What was that?
I think I know you from somewhere. Like, don't you have like a YouTube channel?
Yeah, you know about that?
Yeah, I think so. Oh. Yeah, I think like 1.8 million people know about it, but I could be behind the times, you know?
I don't know why, but
dude, it looks so good, but you know, from a road trip, obviously it just gets a little dirty, but I mean, how does it look good in the daylight? Like yesterday, it was like the sun was setting and like...
It needs to be a different color though. Maybe purple. I don't know.
Maybe, I mean... Maybe
not though.
Purple would be good.
Maybe Nardo Gray.
Look at the butterfly.
Jeez.
Look at the butterfly.
I'm surprised that's it actually. I put 1,400 miles. I don't know. A lot of miles. Only one butterfly's not bad.
Fake vent.
Whoa. Stop pointing out my fake vents.
Well, I mean, you're gonna fix it. You're gonna fix it.
Well, not this one. Not the one on the door. Like there's.
Yeah. You're not gonna.
But the thing is, like, that is like the sickest line on the car.
Yeah.
But it's a fake vent. Yeah.
What about like? Oh, even this one's fake.
They're all fake. I don't think there's an
Really?
actual real vent on the car.
Huh. Do you know in the Kia Stinger there's real ones? So the ones on the hood are fake.
Well, you know.
But like the ones here, these are like functional. They actually like go all the way through.
Hey, all function.
Oh, nice.
Look at that airflow.
Oh, that's so nice.
Feel the airflow.
That is awesome. Does this thing have heads-up display too?
It does. Oh yeah,
Nice.
it's BMW. What do you think?
Nice. Yeah, there it is.
It's got everything.
That's what I'm talking about.
Even comes with unlimited Chick-fil-A.
Oh,
Yeah, no,
Chick-fil-A. That is surprising. I can't believe that you went to a Chick-fil-A. Guys, check that out. That red interior, I mean, I know that you said like you thought that maybe like it wouldn't work very well, like with like the purple, but yeah. I mean,
think so?
Honest, I mean, I think it could work. I mean, you got the red calipers, and then, I mean, even the front ones too. With purple, I mean, I don't know. I think it'd look pretty good.
Yeah.
I think it would. That's awesome. Well, I mean, so you haven't seen the R8 in a while.
No.
I mean, it hasn't been like that long, but like things are happening. Like it's all torn to pieces inside. Like dude, it may never be on the road again.
I can't wait to hear it because I heard you got an exhaust, right?
It's coming. Yes.
Okay.
It's coming. It's coming.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, maybe we can still do a cold start just for like a good measure.
Yeah. Oh yeah. We'll get a startup, and I'm pretty sure you have some like emblems or something.
Yes, you're right. I do.
Oh.
I do have emblems. Where did I put those?
Now we gotta find the emblems because I think they made it all the way from Utah somehow.
I hope they made it all the way from Utah. As promised, it may have taken longer than we wanted, but I'm hand delivering them.
I know.
Like, you can't beat that service.
I know. You know, if there's one thing James is, man of his word.
Honestly, I just wanted to save on shipping though.
Yeah,
like, that kind of offset the price of the car and everything. So I don't have to FedEx.
Well, I mean, you know, we're in like, both of us are in like really cheap
Whenever you can save money, because the more money you save in things like this, the more money you can dedicate to cars, which is really the goal.
Yeah, yeah.
So,
all right, guys. Without further ado, let's show them the R8 because it's kind of cool, I think. All right, so you guys are witnessing it here. First time ever, you got the Kia Stinger, which is the GT2 all-wheel drive, and the 2020 Supra. 0 to 60 is, I think, like 3.8, right around there. Okay, yep. So I think it's right around.
I've been telling my viewers too,
which is like, yeah, and I think it's car and driver. I think is the source. So 3.8, 0 to 60 on this is 4.4. So obviously the Supra's a good bit quicker, but as you can tell, it's obviously a two-door, and that's a four-door. So, and then we got the R8 getting wrapped back there. If you guys can tell the color from here, cool. If not, I guess you'll have to either watch James's video, aka the Stradman, or you're gonna see it whenever I fully reveal it with all the design done and everything. So, yep, we'll check that out later. All right, guys, so just a little update here. All we got left to do is the doors, rockers, and the, I don't know what you want to call it, a little piece right there. So yeah, that's what we have left on the car. And then back here, we're getting the rear bumper done. We basically took it off, took all of the little components off. As you can see, the little gills are gone. And now we put it back on so that way we have basically something to hold it. It's just a lot easier. And EHWraps is here doing his thing. But long story short, this was laid in one solid piece all the way to the bottom, which I'm pretty sure, because I've looked up a lot of videos for this, pretty sure that's the first R8 at least for the rear bumper to be one solid piece, 0 seams. So that's actually really cool. I mean, he's doing a killer job. So let's just do like a quick walk around on the car. Rocking those side blades at the moment, which is absolutely awesome. And then you kind of come around here, you know, we got the little pieces done, and then we still have the front bumper to do. And just this side. That's all we literally have left, which seems like a lot, but it's really not that bad. So, and then let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Clear side blade, to where you can literally just see everything in there. I think that would be sick. Like, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Yeah, I'll update you as we make more progress. All right, guys, so the back bumper is now done. Obviously, we still have to put it back together, but nonetheless, it is done. It is starting to come together. See the side blade still out, we're getting there. But yeah, that's how far we've made it so far. We're getting there. All right, guys, we've made some more progress. As you can see, the door is now done. Side blades are still off. Those are gonna be on here shortly. The back bumper is on. Check that out. Yeah, that looks sick. And then this side still to be done, and that'll get done here real soon. And just the front bumper, and that's it. Ew, one side's done, mirror's not done. Obviously, we're gonna do carbon fiber. Yep, definitely gonna do carbon fiber. But look at the color. Even got the rear end looking good. Just gotta put the wing back on, and then all that's left is the bumper. That's it. Check that out. Looks so good. The carbon fiber on the mirror is gonna look just absolutely awesome. All right, guys, the R8 is almost done. So you can see this side's completely done. Rear bumper's looking, you know, just looking good. Come around to this side here, and yeah, blades back on. What's up? Coming around here, ew, front bumper's off. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. Don't worry about that. We're gonna, you know, we're gonna take care of it. Just for you guys. We're gonna, because of you. Yeah, we're gonna get it. So. All right, guys, so the car is right in front of me. I'm snaking you guys a little bit. It looks killer. Huge shout out to EHWraps, which is here in Bowling Green, Kentucky. If you guys want your car wrapped, linked in the description below for his Instagram and the website's going to be coming soon. But without further ado, here's the full reveal.
Got AJ here at the new EHWraps building.
Boom! Check that out. Nardo Gray is what we went with. Obviously, we're still going to do a design. We're going to save that for a later date. But in the meantime, look at the carbon just popping now. Just looks killer in the sunlight. Quality work. Just looks so good. Now, for the mirrors, I think for the mirrors, we're actually going to do some carbon fiber, which I think will be pretty sweet. And then I haven't decided what we're going to do. This little lip has always had this little, I don't know, stupid color fade thing. I don't know. Either going to do black, carbon, or maybe... not gonna say the other color. We'll save it for a later date. So anyway, that is the full reveal of the car there. We'll do some cinematics either this video, next video, we'll see. But just check it out. Boom. There's Strad, and we're gonna head to dinner right now. So let's roll. Heyo, we've made it to Olive Garden. All right, yep. We're gonna run in. We're gonna get something to eat, as you can see, Supra over there, and grab food. Yep, not taking you guys in though. Ha, sorry. All right guys, so we just finished eating at Olive Garden, and so I think we're gonna say goodbye because it's been fun. It's been real.
Fun. It's been really good.
I think we'll meet up again at some point.
I should be back in January or February, as long as Chevrolet hooks it up, hooks the homie up. Come on, right. Chevy executives, please hook me up.
That's right. So, just like that, I think we're gonna go ahead and end today's video. So, please like, please subscribe. See you guys later. See ya. Peace.